typing is an essential after dictation. Try exam-oriented typing tests, check accuracy, number of errors, gain speed, and more. Complete the typing test in a given time. Read dictation materials. Subscribe to get contents via mail. Purchase shorthand journals and more.
Sir, unfortunately, for most of us, what is decided by the highest judicial authority in our country is that the directive principles are not as important as fundamental rights. It is most unfortunate. I do not mean any criticism against any individual judge sitting. I mean criticism from the point of view of the principle adopted to decide the cases. The directive principles are not only the duties cast upon the state, they are a sort of rights available to the citizens as a whole in the country, to the society as a whole. We consider the right available to an individual, and we do not consider the right available to so many individuals in the country. We are committing a mistake somewhere. They have decided that because directive principles are not justiciable, fundamental rights are more important, and when a law is made to implement the directive principles, it goes against the fundamental rights. It has to be struck down. That is most unfortunate. There is a decided case in which a Harijan student was admitted in a medical college. A law was made for that purpose. The case went to the High Court in Madras, and it decided that equality before law is not available under that act because all students should be treated equal, and so the admission was cancelled. That was most unfortunate. It is a different thing that the judgment was reversed and so many other steps were taken, and we have now in our country students from scheduled castes and tribes getting admission to medical colleges on priority. It is all there, but that is a different thing. Only few days back in this house itself, I do not mean disrespect to the honorable members who pleaded the cause in the most beautiful, most effective manner. What have we decided? There was a law brought before this house which said that in order to protect the skull and brain of an individual, he should wear helmet. Then, because of the prevailing religious and other social circumstances, certain citizens were given exemption from this. He said, if you do this, somebody will go to the court and get an injunction against this, because there is discrimination between women in this country. What was the result? The result was that the Honorable Minister had to say that the ladies would be exempted.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.